0.5 is written as 5 tenths in words. So, if we are going to write 5 tenths into fraction, we write 5 over the word tenths, that is 10. And then simplify the fraction. 5 tenths, so they are both divisible by 5. So divide them by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. So the answer is 1/2. That is the decimal value of 0.5 or 5 tenths. This 0.12 is read as 12 hundredths. So we read it as hundredths. So to write 12 hundredths into fraction, so we write 12 over 100. 12 and 100 are both divisible by 4. So we divide both numerator and denominator by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the simplified form is 3 over 25. Remember, always simplify your fraction into its simplest form. Let's try more examples. This decimal is read as 100 17 thousandths. So to write as fraction, we write 117 as numerator over 1,000, 1,000. This is in its simplified form. So this one, this is 5,000 200 91 10 thousandths. So to simplify this one, so we write here 5291 as numerator over 10,000. So this is the fractional form of this decimal. 5.2 in words as 5 and. And means the decimal. 2 tenths. This is tenths. So we write 5 and 2 tenths. So we write 5 as the whole number, 2 over 10. But we need to simplify the fraction. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So that will be 1 over 5. And then copy the whole number. So the answer will be a mixed number. 19.03 is read as 19. And for decimal, 3 hundredths. So let's write them in fractional form. 19 is the whole number, and then 3 will be the numerator over 100. So the answer is 19 and 3 over 100.